Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
Kiki, what are we doing?
I'm watching the pictures. It's nice.
Good to know. We're in a visit of ESN and in a museum and in the crypts.
Yes.
Spanish people.
I heard you sold the Amazon to show the country that should want to be full, find something old people need.
No, it's me.
Do you like the Erasmus group you have this semester?
Yeah, you're all amazing.
People are dying to get on TV.
Que?
Me after Salento.
Oh.
This is Sarah before Salento.
-7 degrees. I don't want to go out and it's snowing, but I have to go to the shopping buy this little shit of charger because I broke my charger and I need to charge my computer to work. But look how pretty. And I already opened my window so I can get used to the cold. And what I'm gonna wear for -7? One thermic shirt, 2 pants, 2 socks, another very warm jacket, one very sexy beanie, like that too, if it's too cold, boots, another jacket, and one scarf.
Lives down a river somewhere. 6 cars in a grid.
It's hurting to breathe like that.
He's got eyes that he can't see. He talks like an angel, but he looks like me. Don't you wanna play?
Vou chorar, me desculpe, mas eu vou chorar.
Okay?
Snowball fight?
Yeah?
Do you think you can beat me?
Yes? You against me? Yes. I can. And I will do. It's not a good snow.
Saldo de uma guerra de neve. You're frozen?
Yes.
With your hair. I think we know who lost.
Very good. So we wait like 1 hour for what?
Or see the lights on the street, and then we go away and the lights turn on and we don't see anything.
After 5 minutes.
What are you doing?
5 minutes.
He lives down a river somewhere. 6 cars in a grid. He's got eyes that he can't see.
Ana, você tá muito enlevada.
Stay there.
Zaragoteando.
O quê?
O Rio tá congelado.
E você subiu nele?
Because maybe we can.
Aww. One big problem here in the dorm that there are not enough clothes horses, whatever, where you hang your clothes and then people steal and take to the rooms. And they are not for the rest of the normal human beings. And what do they have to do? Creativity. Tarkas. Pra cima, moçoilo. Todo perdido. Ir pra faculdade quando tá nevando é mais legal do que eu esperava. A gente já vai com guerra de neve e chega tudo molhada e nevar. Frio. que vocês acham dessa moçola para a primeira vez patinante? Aí, essa fase essa menininha aí de verde.
You can show the
Don't for,
is X on X. X extra.
Article 13.
don't forget to like and subscribe.
X extra.
Hã?
X extra.
Extra.
Subscribe.